Good morning, everybody. My name is Học. My group has 3 members. Nguyễn Thị Thảo, Phan Thị Hòa, and me. Today, I am going to talk about documentary collection. My presentation is in 3 parts. The part 1 introduce to the documentary collection. Part 2 process work of documentary collection. And part 3 advantage and disadvantage of documentary collection. The first, I will introduce to the documentary collection. A documentary collection is a process in which the exporter instructs his bank to forward documents related to the export of goods to the importer bank, indicating when and on what condition that document can be released to the importer. This method of getting payment is popular because it is very simple and cheap to operate.
The second, I will to talk about the process of document collection. There are normally 4 parties involved in the method of collection. They are importer, import bank, and import bank. The import contract and documentary collection agreement between the importer and importer. 2. The importer ship goods to the importer. 3. The importer send document collection order and bill of exchange to his bank. 4. The importer send document collection order and bill of exchange to the importer bank. 5. The importer bank present document collection order and bill of exchange to the importer. 6. The importer bank give an advance payment ahead of time to the importer bank. 7. The importer pay the bill or file bank to the accept the bill. The 8. The importer bank deliver the ship document to the importer. 9. The importer take goods. The 10. The importer send money or accept the ship bill back to the importer bank. 11. The importer bank send money or accept the ship bill back to the importer. Next, I will introduce about advantage and disadvantage of documentary collection.
Advantage: it is a quick, simple, and cheap. To the importer, they have a control over the goods until the draft is part or accepted. If the importer refer to pay unaccepted draft, the importer can take the importer to court and claim their goods back. To the importer, they can check the content of the document before pay or attempting to pay. If the importer accept payment no draft, the importer can use the goods on credit. Disadvantage: to the importer, firstly, they may trigger to pay once the goods have been remitted. Secondly, the document may be lost on the way or arrival late. Thirdly, the bank takes no responsibility in the lost or late arrival or document or goods. Fourthly, the bank may give the document to the importer before they pay access to pay to the importer. The importer may give 10 documents. The bank are not responsible for checking the contract need of the document. The importer cannot refer to pay until they have accepted payment trigger of the season. To the remitting bank, they may pay the importer before receiving payment from the collecting bank. The collecting bank, they may be they may give importer an advance before the importer accept to pay or make payment.
Thank you for the listen.